Bless the Lord, everybody. Have you ever been at a point in your life where you were going through a period of transition, where everything in your life stopped, everything came to an end? Sometimes we struggle against these transitions and we fight it and we determine that, hey, I want to be doing this next, I want to be doing that next. But sometimes we just need to stop. We need to stand. We need to allow God to show us the direction and the path. Be still in that moment of transition. Be still when God has ceased everything around you and say, hey, I'm going to lead you into a different direction. Rest, wait, and be obedient in Jesus' name.